In this video, we will learn how to remove the duplicate values. So the first thing we need to understand that in real life or a real scenario in the Excel, you might have multiple values like lakhs of values. So in that values, you might need to remove the duplicates, or you want to get rid of all the multiple values, similar values. So in this case, Umesh Yadav is showing up twice here, and the same way Ravi Chattiswar Pujara is showing up twice here. So in that case, I don't want these duplicate values to be populated again and again. So in that case, what I can do is I want to remove these duplicate values. So I will select all the values and go to data. And here we have the option remove duplicate. So click on that remove duplicates. So from where you want to remove the duplicate? You want to duplicate check the values from the salary? No, I don't want to check from salary duplicate values. You want to check from bonus? No, I don't want to check. I just want to remove the duplicates from the player's name. So I will just click here. So in row 4, you will see Umesh Yadav is there. In row 9 also, you will see Umesh Yadav is there. So let's see and click on OK. So two duplicate values have been removed. Now 10 unique values are remain. So now you will see that Umesh Yadav is showing up only once. Even Chattiswar Pujara is also showing only once. So this is how the formula or functionality can be used to remove the duplicate values. Thank you.